All right, we got this product here today called the Copper Lock. So we're gonna take it out of this bag. What this Copper Lock is about is apparently all you gotta do is put a little glue around your copper fitting after you sanded it and wait 2 minutes and it'll hold 500 PSI. So Michael and I are gonna try this out and we're gonna do a pressure test on it. All right, we're gonna use the Rigid 15s. We're gonna make this little square with a dowel hose bib and we're gonna set that up and fill it with water and do a small little pressure test. All right, this is prepped and ready. We just need some pipe dope here later, but we're gonna put these in first. All right, so we're gonna open this up and see how this works. All right, so it says lightly sand the copper and a solid thin line of copper lock around the inside of the fitting. So that's what we're gonna do right here. Bring it in. Solid thin line. Little thin line over there and here. That looks pretty thin to me. So it says put the copper in and do a half twist. So we put this copper in. I'm gonna do extra twist just like glue. That's what it looks like in the inside. We can see that.
You see it?
Yeah. Thin line again.